In this video, I want to talk about how you can add Klarna to your Stripe account. Now this is pretty simple, guys. I'm currently inside Sandbox account, but doesn't really matter. It's the same way either way. So what you want to do is you just want to head up to the settings button. If you don't see it here, it should be up here or down here. Head over to the settings, and once you're inside of the settings, you want to look for the product settings and find payments. Under payments, just simply click on this, head over to payment methods. Inside of here, what we want to do is simply just scroll down until we find Klarna. And as you can see, I have it right here. Then what you want to do is just make sure that it's enabled. You can click here and you can view all the details if you want. And if it's disabled, you can click here to turn on. Since it's enabled, you cannot see it, but for these you can see. So once this is turned on, it will now be enabled. And then customers will be able to use Klarna when integrating with your Stripe. Now keep in mind, if this is on some website like Shopify, if it's on Shopify or something like that, you need to enable it on Shopify as well if you're doing it through that. But this should simply work just like this. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.